press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, our country has seen some of the biggest horror movies. डराने देने के लिए काफ़ी है वो movies. लेकिन the man behind all those movies, that one man who has made some of the biggest horror movies and the most successful ones, you know, that man is right here beside in front of me, Mr. Vikram Bhatt sir. A huge round of applause for him, please. And the next one that he's making and is coming up with, that's called Ghost, and it's releasing on 18th of October. And the beautiful star cast for that, we have Mr. Shivam rocking all handsome and cool, and the very gorgeous and beautiful Ms. Sanaya Rani.
Thank you.
So first of all, you know, the movie, sir. पहला सवाल आपसे, I was telling you before as well that, you know, you're a master when it comes to, you know, making horror movies and horror genre. So what is that thing that appeals to you the most about this thing?
I see dead people.
Now he's in a playful mood.
But we want that playful mood.
क्या है ना, मेरी घंटी बज गई है,
Checked out. He's completely checked out.
थक जाता हूँ मैं. अभी क्या है कि I think it's everybody has, you know, a set of beliefs that they make a film on. I have been from the childhood a firm believer in, you know, the supernatural and where do we go after death and life after death and life between two deaths or death and life. So this has always been something that has gone on in my mind. So it's not a wonder that I have chosen to make films on this subject.
But sir, ये सवाल तो definitely आता है इस चीज़ के बाद कि, you know, like you were talking about supernatural power and all. So when you were in your childhood, did you experience anything like that? कभी supernatural कुछ या फिर कुछ अजीब लगा हो, डरावना कुछ चीज़ जो basically inspiration बना बाद में?
मुझे तो ज़िंदगी ही ऐसी लगती है पूरी कि कुछ सुपरनैचुरल चल रहा है. आप लोगों को नहीं लगता ऐसा? लेकिन जैसे बॉम्बे का ट्रैफिक देख लो, सुपरनैचुरल नहीं है.
What an example.
सुपरनैचुरल है भैया. कोई सिग्नल में बिलीव नहीं करता, कहीं से भी कोई भी गाड़ी आती है, रॉन्ग साइड चले जाते हैं, लेकिन एक्सीडेंट नहीं होता. तो ये सुपरनैचुरल इवेंट ही तो है ना.
सेबेस्टियन वेटल जब इंडिया आए थे,
हाँ,
Sebastian Vettel, when he actually came to India, he had said that the Indian traffic is organized chaos. That was how he described it in two words.
supernatural है भैया. I am describing in one word. It is supernatural. कि वहाँ से साइकिल भी गुजर रही है, यहाँ से रिक्शा भी आ रहा है, वहाँ से बस आ रही है,
चार साइड है, गाड़ी पांच छह
लोग भी चल रहे हैं, रोड क्रॉस
और सब बच रहे हैं. तो ये सुपरनैचुरल है. मतलब अगर ये अनहोनी नहीं है तो क्या अनहोनी है. कोई भी नेता बन जाता है ना. सुपरनैचुरल इवेंट है भैया ये.
बड़ी चाहिए.
I love that.
But then Sanaya, the next question is for you, and that is, you know, you have been superb. I have been seeing you. I think my
बचपन से ये मत
नहीं
बोलना.
बचपन से नहीं बोलने वाला हूँ. But then still, I would say that my most favorite memory of yours will be when I used to see you in Mile Jab Hum Tum. That you know, that character of Gunjan, that is still going to be there, you know, in everybody's mind. I mean, it's going to be.
In which were you Khushi Kumari Raizada? What?
That was Khushi Kumari Gupta Raizada. In इस प्यार को क्या नाम?
And then that's
And in Mile Jab Hum
मेरे टाइमलाइन पे सिर्फ खुशी कुमारी राइजादा गुप्ता है. मैंने बोला ये चार नाम का कौन है, तब पता चला ये एक ही का चार नाम है.
But that was, I mean, the biggest memory, and then since then I never thought that, you know, we'll be interacting regarding this, you know, movie or anything. But tell us about the movie, because it's a very different genre compared to what you have done before. I mean, the horror space. What do you have to think about this? How did you prepare?
It is different. I've never done anything horror. TV पे आजकल तो बहुत ज़्यादा horror हो रहा है, पर मैंने सोचा चलो मैं फिल्म कर लेती हूँ. शॉर्टकट मारती हूँ. 1 साल तक horror नहीं करना, बस 2 महीने में ख़त्म करना है. But no, jokes apart, It was a very interesting script. It's a real life incident. It's based on a real life incident. So obviously, when I heard the whole story, the entire story, it was a complete package. It's not like एक लड़की haunted house में जाती है और 3 घंटे तक somebody is haunting her. There's much more to the film. It makes you feel, it makes you think, it keeps you intrigued. So when you watch the film, you will feel all of these things. And I love horror and thriller scripts where, you know, it makes you think. It makes you wonder what will happen next, more than just that, which will always come in a horror film, which is going to come multiple times. It's also, you know, that element of keeping you going. So obviously I found that extremely interesting when I was told about the film. And of course my character, again, when you see the film, you'll understand it's an extremely complex, like she has too many issues in her life. In short, I say this in a lot of interviews, she has her personal demons, and on the other side she's fighting demons professionally, and it's how these two merge together and what comes off it. So very, very interesting, very challenging, and I think that's why I wanted to do this.
And I think you're playing his lawyer in the movie.
Yes.
And but then did you ever think that अगर कभी कोई character play किए हम लोग, you know, as a lawyer, I'll have to talk about, you know, fighting demons and all in the case? Did you ever think that? Like,
That is the whole point of the film, right? It is like, how do you prove in court of law that a demon did this and we are going to put a demon behind bars? It doesn't work that way. You
it's
can't
like
put a ghost behind.
It reminds you of, oh my God, I mean, you know, where Paresh Rawal sir had to, you know, talk about, like, you know, this is a, you know, thing done by God. It's an act of God.
Right, but that doesn't mean that they don't exist, right?
Exactly.
I mean, we haven't seen God.
Exactly.
But we all believe in God, we all pray to God, so that doesn't mean that if we haven't seen a ghost, it does not exist. And that's the whole challenge that she faces and how she has to. And for that you'll have to see the film, because भाई मैं तुझे पूरी कहानी बताऊंगी नहीं इधर बैठे
नहीं पता चलने वाला. You have to wait.
But yeah, that was a very interesting aspect to the film. Again, you know, it's how do you prove it?
And sir, what about you? And Miang Chang ke saath, you know, Bombers, because we have done Bombers ka, you know, what do you call the promotions and all, and then you're coming back to this kind of a genre with, you know, like horror and everything. So what do you have to do? Do you personally believe in, you know, like ghosts?
Definitely.
यानी कुछ experience हुआ अभी?
जी बहुत सारे experience हैं.
कुछ बताइए, please.
कुछ बताऊं? कौन सा बताऊं आपको?
First to say you lived in a haunted
Okay, हाँ, मेरा जो घर है कुछ 200 साल पुराना है और बहुत haunted है. तो
200 साल पुराना, where is it?
जी, लखनऊ में.
Okay.
तो बहुत लोगों ने वहाँ बहुत कुछ देखा है. लखनऊ मेरे तो घर के अंदर ही है.
Then?
So there's a lot that has happened. One small incident is when I saw someone being possessed in my house, who was उस पे आत्मा चढ़ गई थी और उलट के कलाबाजियाँ करके ज़मीन पे गिर रहा था.
And you have seen that right in front of you?
In front of me, yeah. तब मैं कुछ 6-7 साल का था.
क्या हुआ?
तो this guy who used to work at home, पतला दुबला सुखला सा आदमी, उस पे आत्मा चढ़ गई थी और वो हवा में कलाबाजियाँ खा के कंक्रीट पे गिर रहा था और फिर उठ के फिर से कर रहा था कुछ 5-6 बार. और फिर कुछ लोग आए, उसको पकड़ने की कोशिश करी, उसने बस ऐसे किया, वो 3-4 इधर गिर गए. तब तक लोगों ने देख लिया कि मैं भी देख रहा हूँ, मुझे भगा दिया गया.
बट देन उसका इम्पैक्ट क्या हुआ आपके दिमाग में?
मैं पहले से इसीलिए मैं ऐसा हूँ, यही इम्पैक्ट है.
इतने सालों बाद इसलिए you're doing good.
कलाबाजी मार रहा है.
बस
I love this word
कलाबाजी है.
It's very interesting.
So नहीं, एक्चुअली मुझे बचपन में बहुत डर लगता था. अब मुझे बिल्कुल डर नहीं लगता. ये उसका रिजल्ट हुआ.
That's why you were able to act in a horror film.
I mean, इनको बहुत डर लगता है, but she was also able to.
I was coming to that.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah,
like who is actually most scared in real life? You know,
In real life.
in real life.
Yeah, in real life. I'm saying, I was pointing to him saying that he's not scared of anything. मतलब कुछ भी आ जाए इस दुनिया में, शिवम को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. भूत, सुनामी, earthquake, he'll be like, हाँ ठीक है.
Because I think at 6 years old he has already seen that. I mean, what do you want?
So I used to get nightmares and I would like wake up crying when I was that young. But फिर उसी में सब निकल गया, तो अब कुछ नहीं होता.
So you've lived that phase.
Yeah.
Now he comes in people's night.
Yeah, अब मैं वो लोगों को डराता हूँ आके.
And tell us a bit about the character that you're doing.
Okay, so my character is called Karan Khanna.
Okay.
He's a politician.
Yeah.
He's a very mature character, बड़ी सुलझा हुआ, focused, doing his job, but then things happen to him, which lead him to be accused for his wife's murder, and that's where her character comes in to prove his innocence.
बहुत सुलझा हुआ बंदा है जिसने
बहुत
अपनी बीवी का
very innocent, very innocent.
अरे लॉयर है, ये कैसी लॉयर है? I can tell.
She's not in a character right now, which is good for the video.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, great.
Yeah. सर हो गया वो शूट खत्म, अभी ये वाला शूट में जरूरत नहीं है. But Sanaya, tell us a bit about, because you said that you're scared of in reality a lot more. So tell us a bit about the things that actually scare you a lot.
Like Vikram said,
apart from ghosts,
apart from ghosts, cockroaches.
What is like the reaction अगर यहाँ पे कोई
cockroaches. I don't know what it is with them.
Saw it the other day in this room itself.
This room itself.
Yeah.
अरे बाप रे बाप.
And there is some connection, past life connection. They have walked on me. Yeah. Has a cockroach ever walked on you? It's walked on me, not one, not two, 4 of them. Yeah, I'm sick of this. They
Together, like 4 together.
No. One different incidents. But I'm like, they wait when I'm alone. I've noticed it. मैं जब भी अकेली होती हूँ, they wait for me to be alone and then they strike.
What if there is a spirit working through a cockroach?
Oh my God.
Possible.
And that's the only thing that I will. I'm so sorry, I take all that bad karma, but I will kill.
I think इसका sequel के लिए we have got multiple subjects. आपका लखनऊ का घर, then heard cockroach moving and everything.
कलाबाजियाँ खा रहा है कि कॉकरोच आता है और यहाँ पे चला
कलाबाजियाँ मारता हुआ cockroach.
कलाबाजी मारता हुआ cockroach.
ये बात है बस. सब्जेक्ट.
बन जाएगा सर definitely. But during, I think you both met before.
When we make the sequel, we'll write inspired by real life interview.
No, but then I think you both met for the first time, or did you meet before? So there's a certain kind of comfort zone that you need when you're working with somebody for the first time. So who was actually the one who was taking the initiative more when it comes to breaking the ice?
We didn't have to take much initiative. हम लोग मिले, एक दूसरे को थोड़ा सा इंसल्ट किया होगा, फट से दोस्ती हो गई, खत्म. Perfect.
Yeah.
It started with insults from my side
From her
actually.
side.
Sorry, my bad. Yeah.
You insulted him.
Remember, he
But
said,
मजाक
"What is he
वाला
doing?
insult
How is he acting?"
What were the kind of insults? I'm sure everybody wants to know.
नहीं तो बेसिकली मेरा पहला टेक फर्स्ट जो सीन किया था मैंने इसके साथ शिवम के साथ मैंने कुछ 9 टेक लिए थे. It was very hard for me to understand the character, get into it. Really, I mean, Vikram was trying to explain to me that this is how you need to think, this is what she is going through, and it was a very crucial scene in the film, and it was my first initial scene. So it was really hard for me to fit into those shoes. So कुछ 9 टेक लगे और फिर भाई साहब का टर्न आया और एक टेक में एंड आई थॉट आई एम द एक्सपीरियंस्ड वन बॉस 10 साल का सब कुछ पता है मुझे एंड इसका एक टेक में विक्रम लाइक गुड शॉट. I was like, क्या good shot? What good shot? You saw how he was acting? I was like, he had no expression on his face.
It's like director का okay take हो गया लेकिन मुझे नहीं मानना.
I was very upset and he's like standing at the side and thinking कि
What was your reaction?
भूल ही गई है मुझे insult करे जा रही है.
लेकिन it's a very complicated situation. Director ने हाँ बोल दिया.
एक शॉट में हो गया. I was like, अच्छा ठीक ही होगा, ठीक ही है. Okay.
It's been a pleasure talking to you all three.
Thank you.
And this movie, I hope that it's a wonderful success and all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
18th of October, go watch Ghost in the nearest theatre.
And take many people with you.
Yeah, you'll need it. अकेले मत जाना, please.
Dogs, cats. Take whatever you want. Just buy tickets.
टिकट खरीदना बस.
You can buy tickets and not go also.
नहीं देख लो. Hi, this is Sanaya Irani.
Hi, this is Shivam Bhargav.
And this is the captain of our ship, Mr. Vikram Bhatt.
And you're watching IWM Buzz.